Toliver, Speedy? It's called Speedy? No. It's Don Toliver, Speedy, LV Bag featuring J-Hope from BTS and Pharrell Williams. Now, this is what I think was shown at the LV. It was in France, I think, right? It says it right here. It's made in France. But let's just check it out. It's been a minute since I heard Don Toliver, though. What? This is the song. This is the song. Ooh. Wait, hold on. The way that came in though. Ooh. Okay, wait, hold on. The way that came in, I like that. I feel expansive. Oh, that's J-Hope right there too. Ooh. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
It's alright, I'll be okay. Make like 50K today. You can go, you can stay. Tell me you ready to leave the place. Honey's in my bag, don't need no more. Up all night till I break the code. See us when I lean to the door. I'm jumping in the void.
Okay. Hold up. See, now I heard this at the those clips on TikTok or Twitter, but I didn't hear the full one. They didn't release the full one, right? Oh shit! I'm gonna bump this into my car. I'm gonna bump this into my car. Me in the club. Hey. Yeah. It's some night cruising vibes. No, for real. What did he say? Ain't no Benny Hunter? What?
It's alright, I'll be okay. Make like 50K today. You can go, you can stay. Tell me you ready to leave the place. Honey's in my bag, don't need no more.
That little like ding, really gets me. It hooks me in so much. Yeah. What? Yeah. Where I be? What? Eat my noodles to the song. Oh damn. The way it slowed down. Okay, wait, hold up. But the way that it hits it. Right here? Bye. Oh, wait, hold on. Oh, thanks for following. Ooh, okay. Hey, more collaborations with my faves. Universes are crossing. I love it. We got Pharrell Williams, J-Hope, Don Toliver, and Speedy. I'm not sure who Speedy is, but now I know.